Welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's topic, we are going to answer some of the questions that been asked by the Nuer people. Why the Nuer are not fighting back in Gambella? They never respond to the Anuak aggressions, and they are asking why the Nuer are not fighting back in Gambella. I have some information that I would like to read out here because these are very concerning answered with the question that been asked. Number one, in Gambella, leadership biased. There is a perception that the Anuak leadership in Gambella is biased, favoring their own people and not addressing the grievances and safety concerns of the Nuer community effectively. Number two, selective justice. The belief that Anuak individuals involved in violence against Nuer people are not being arrested or held accountable contribute to the perception of selective justice and impunity within the region. Number three, suppression of dissent. Nuer youths who speak out against the Anuak-led government are being arrested, which is seen as an effort to suppress a dissent and maintain control, preventing criticism of the leadership. Number four, lack of peace initiative in Gambella. The leadership is perceived as failing to bring peace to Gambella, with ongoing violence and attack against Nuer community not being adequately addressed. Number five, community marginalizations. The Nuer community feel marginalized under the Anuak-led government, with their concern and safety not being prioritized or addressed by Gambella government. Erosion of trust. The action of the Anuak leadership further erode trust between the Nuer community and the Gambella government, making cooperation and dialogue more challenging. Number seven, human rights violation. The arrest of Nuer youth and elders raises significant human rights concerns, highlighting the need for greater protection of freedom of speech and assembly in Gambella. Number eight, the specific incident of violence. Incidents such as Nuer people being killed at bus station and abuse on the road to Nuer zone exemplify the ongoing violence, mistreatment faced by the Nuer community. Number nine, attack on the refugee camps. The Anuak terrorist group frequently attack refugee camps in Gambella, targeting South Sudanese Nuer refugees who were displaced by the 2013 civil war. These attacks are driven by ethnic hostility toward the Nuer in Gambella. Number 10, international attention. Despite this significant human rights concern, there is a perception that no international community has taken a step to solve or report the issue to the Ethiopian government, leaving the Nuer community feeling abandoned and unsupported. Number 11, social unrest. Continuous suppressions and lack of action against perpetrators of violence can lead to greater social unrest, as the Nuer community may feel increasingly desperate and marginalized. Number 12, call for international interventions. The absence of international intervention or reporting underscores the need for greater global attention and action to ensure the protection and the right of the Nuer people addressed in Gambella. Number 13, need for advocacy. There is a need for strong advocacy from international human rights organizations, foreign government, and global institutions to pressure the Ethiopian government to address the issue and to ensure justice and peace for the Nuer people or Nuer community in Gambella. Number 14, commitment to peace. Despite the challenge, Nuer youth continue to advocate for peace, showing a commitment to resolving conflict through dialogue and non-violent means. However, the unwillingness of Anuak group, this effort complicates the situation further. And addressing this issue requires concerted effort to ensure fair and just leadership, protect the right of all communities, and promote peace and reconciliation in Gambella region. Where we Nuer people, we feel that we are being abandoned and unsupported by Gambella government. The Nuer people in Gambella being forced to leave their bus station and bought bus in Anuak bus station. And that bus station is known through Gambella that this is the place where the Anuak terrorist group attacked and killed innocent Nuer people. And the government never took any action or anyone responsible for the action from the Anuak community or the Anuak terrorist group, which are still terrorizing the Gambella up to date. So the main concern here is this. As you are listening to this message, we the Nuer youth in Gambella, we fear. It is because we do not have a voice. When we speak of unity, when we speak of the disgrace of Gambella government, the way they are treating us unfairly, and the way they are not transparent to all of us, to the Nuer community, and to be specific, the Nuer youth, it led us to another level whereby whenever you speak against the Gambella government, you end up being arrested or being tortured by somebody who is also your brother, but being paid by the government. As the Gambella government is saying that we are not speaking on behalf of the people, but we are speaking on behalf of the people. They are the ones who are facing these challenges. So here, the reason why we are not fighting back is because Gambella government do not care about us. When we speak against them, we end up being arrested. When you are arrested, no community will come and protect you. Only your family will come. They will pay the government in order for you to be bailed out. So this makes us fear the Gambella government. So when you are in Gambella, you feel like you are not human being because you are waiting for the day when somebody will come, snatch your life out of you. You feel that somebody will come tomorrow and kill you, where we work in unsecure environment and we say nothing. So that's the reason why we are not fighting back, because the federal government do not care about what is happening in Gambella. Imagine, in Gambella, they are doing unfairness. They are treating people unfairly. In Newland itself alone, there's no bus station. The bus station that we have, when you try to board a bus from there, they come and arrest people just because that you want to board a bus from there. They want you to go to the whole bus station where everybody knows that on that bus station, somebody is waiting for you to take your life away. How can they force people to go to the whole bus station where they know that they are not providing security? This thing, it needs Ethiopian government or the federal government to appear or to interfere within Gambella leadership, because Gambella leadership, it is failed already. So people call us, we are criminals for speaking out, but we are not criminals. We just simply need Gambella to be at peace. We need Gambella to have unity and to develop. But this Anuak terrorist group, they do not want Gambella to develop. They just want to destroy it. And we are not doing that. That's why we choose peace instead of violence. So we cannot fight Anuak terrorist group, but we are advocating for peace. And we are pointing out all the points that we are facing in Gambella. And we have the right to do that.